Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. I know a lot of you are just like me. You want to upload your best live photos to TikTok or other social platforms. But the problem is, some platforms don't support live photos at all, like Reddit. Videos work just fine though. So in today's video, I'll show you how to convert live photos into videos so you can upload them to any platform in any format you need. First, let me show you how to take a live photo. Open the camera app. Make sure the live photo icon in the top right corner is turned on. When it turns yellow, live photo is enabled. Now you can take your photo. After that, tap the thumbnail in the bottom left to preview it. When you press and hold the photo, you'll see the motion before and after the shot. Now let's convert it into a video. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. You'll see an option called Save as Video. Tap it, and iPhone will generate a 3-second video in your Photos app. Your original live photo stays there, nothing gets deleted. You can open the Photos app to check the video anytime. Now when you go back to Reddit, you can upload your live photo as a video with no problem, and that's how you convert live photos into video clips on iPhone. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.